How to fix Spectrum 2.4 GHz not showing up. If your Spectrum 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network isn't showing up, start by restarting your router or modem. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in, and wait a few minutes for it to fully reboot. Next, check if your router is broadcasting the 2.4 GHz network separately. Many Spectrum routers use band steering, combining both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz under one name. To separate them, log into your router at 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, go to the wireless or advanced settings, and enable the 2.4 GHz band with a unique network name like My Wi-Fi 2.4. You can also do this using the My Spectrum app under Services, Internet Router Settings, then Advanced Settings. Make sure the 2.4 GHz network is turned on. If you're trying to connect a device that only supports 2.4 GHz like a smart plug or camera, move farther away from the router to encourage a 2.4 GHz connection or temporarily disable the 5 GHz band to force the switch. If none of this works, you can reset your router by holding the reset button on the back for 10 seconds. After it reboots, set up your network again via the app or web portal. If the 2.4 GHz band still doesn't show up, there may be a hardware issue or firmware problem. In that case, call Spectrum support at 1-855-707-7328 and ask them to confirm that the 2.4 GHz band is enabled and broadcasting on your device.